Let's talk about Veracity. We'll go over the volume because it's actually going up right now. We'll go over the fact that Alex Becker is following Veracity, which is always a good sign, I would say, for a project with 70 mil volume. The volume is up 4%, and that's interesting because the price is seems to be bottoming. I would make the argument that this is the bottom. I'll explain why in a little bit. And also, we'll go over the Google Trends. So let's start. Make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. First of all, let's start with the volume because that's important. Volume is nearly as much as the market cap. Look at this. Market cap 94 mil, volume 70 mil. This rarely happens. This only happens with projects that are actually good. And this rarely happens for projects that are going down. In less 24 hours, the project is down 2%. It's actually down more because it dipped. But the fact that we're getting so much volume shows us that this is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is just my opinion, and this is no financial advice. But look at this. We had, by the way, this is some technical analysis. I know some of you guys, it might be a little complicated if you're watching this from a mobile device. I'll help you out. Do not worry. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow axes. This basically show market manipulation from the indicators I'm using. And when you have 5, normally you have a pump. And we did pump, and I do believe this is the bottom. Market manipulation or yellow axis, there's a whole formula behind them, but pretty much they break support where they shouldn't be breaking support. Another indicator showing me is that 2 cents, 2.226 cents, which is around 10% from now, was actually an institutional support area, strong support area. I was watching the 15-minute chart. I want to show you the 1-hour chart because there are some potential issues that I want you to be aware of, right? I'll show you everything from any angle, so you can make your own educated decisions, obviously. What we have here, right here, is, can you hear me? Well, let me know in the comment section down below. What we have here is view up. This is the yellow line here, right here, curving downwards, which is showing bearish momentum, which is not perfect after a touch to the 21 EMA and rejection. That's why we have these price targets. And it's not looking good if we actually start hitting those. I'll mark them up for the chart because we'll see how it goes tomorrow. But yeah, the only from a volume perspective, that's not an issue because we have lower. Look at this, lower volume, big sell, lower sell, lower sell. But there's also trigger wave, and these waves are bigger. I just want to be, factual. I want to see everything there is to see. 3-hour chart also curving down. You can see the yellow curving down, which is not good. And on the 3-hour, you can see, higher volume, but then it's not that high. It would really depend on how the US market will react. When you're watching this, the US market should ring. I'm recording this at 8:11 New York time, 2 p.m. my time. I'll be following the Veracity price closely today. So this is from a technical standpoint, this is a very important area. If the price falls, I would not hold my position. I can sell it and then rebuy later. For example, if it falls somewhere below here, I'll probably close my position and open up again somewhere down there. But in general, this is what I think about Veracity. I'll host some polls on my channel. You might see polls on the account just like this where you can vote. Please vote. I want to feature them in another video. This would really help me out to understand what you guys think because I'm doing this for you. Spent around 14 hours yesterday recording these videos, and I didn't beg for a like. All I'm asking right now is a like, but I did back in the beginning. The reason is I respect your time, so I want you to get as much value as possible. If you appreciate the video, slap the like button. If you want to see more videos just like this, if you appreciate the effort, subscribe. You see and you learn about a lot of tokens every single day if you watch my videos. Some of the tokens you learn about would not be very interesting for you. I understand that. Do not unsubscribe. The concept of this channel is I want to bring you up to date with all the news in the crypto space. If there's something interesting, click and watch. If it's not, I would still advise you to click and watch because I combine other news as well in my analysis. So yeah, this video is no financial advice. Appreciate you guys. See ya. Bye.